Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing a video on iPhone 12. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video, and please hit the notification bell so you get to see my videos first. Okay, so let's get started with the design. And as you can see, it comes with a huge screen with two back cameras, a notch with different sensors, and a selfie camera. So now we'll get to know each of these features. So let's start with the top part, which is the notch. So as you can see, this like black colored box like thing is called the notch, and they have the Apple company. They have integrated many features into the notch, which we will explore. So let's study each of these features. So the first one is infrared camera. An infrared camera basically displays a thermal image, like the warm-blooded animals are usually shown in red color and orange type color, and the cold-blooded are shown in blue color. So that's how it works, and it shows the image in a thermal form. Then we come to the proximity sensor. A proximity sensor can recognize when you're holding phone up to your ear, and the screen will shut off, saving battery and preventing your face from accidentally hitting buttons. So basically, when you're talking to someone on the phone, the screen will automatically shut off when you bring your phone near to your ear, saving battery and preventing your phone from actually hitting like the decline button or speaker button like that. And the next feature is flood illuminator. Like whenever you look at your phone, the flood illuminator detects your face. Basically, it's used for Face ID. Then the infrared image camera takes an infrared image, and the dot projector, which is right here, uses 30,000 infrared dots to create a dot pattern. So basically, the infrared camera is used, like I told you, warm-blooded animals are shown in red color. So first it will detect that red color, then it will make a pattern to see if it's a human face, and then it will make a pattern to see if it's like an individual's face. So that's how it works. Next we have the ambient light sensor, which is basically a photo detector that is used to sense the amount of ambient light, like the sunlight around you, and any light, any source of light, and dim the device's screen accordingly. So it's really common these days, but in iPhone these are very advanced. So these are the still ambient sensor, then speaker, speakers are, and microphone is at the top. Then we have a 7 megapixel camera and a dot projector, like I told you. So now we come to the next slide, which is the bottom part of the iPhone. Like you can see, there are around 10 speakers at the bottom, like these dots, and then we have a port. Like these are really good speakers. Actually, I have an iPhone 12. Like it's a model, like a dummy piece. Like I know the design and all. So the design is really good. And now we get to the next part, which is these are the available colors. The iPhone is available in 5 colors: red, black, blue, green, and white. So now these are the specifications of the camera. So its ultra wide is 12 megapixel camera. There are two cameras in the original iPhone, ultra wide and wide, as you can see. And there's amazing features, you can check them out. Like this is the focal length 2.54 aperture, which is amazing. And now we get to the next part, which is the display. So it has a huge 6-inch display, as you can see, with OLED, which is organic light emitting diode display. So it has replaced the common LCD display. And in OLED display, each individual pixel actually produces its own light. So that's how it works. So it's more clear and sharper than the LCD models. And now we get to the second part. So these are the two images. This is OLED and this is LCD. You can see the difference. Which one is clearer? Although this is 4000 resolution, like this is the better resolution of LCD. Still, the image you can see it's not clear. But when you see it to the OLED, you can actually see each pixel. You can actually see each pixel emitting its own light, where this LCD is backlit. So we get to the next slide, which is so this is basically XDR display, Super Retina XDR display. This is actually the monitor of Apple company, but I'm showing this image to let you know, like you can see the contrast which will be provided in the iPhone. You can just see the colors, the variants and the contrast right here. And XDR is extreme dynamic range, which gives an amazing contrast to the display, like you can see here. Now let's come to the hardware part and just explore its specification. So it basically has an A14 Bionic chip, which is the fastest in the smartphone market right now. There are 3 options for internal storage: 64 GB, 128 GB and 256 GB. And 4 GB RAM is provided, which is smooth enough for a smartphone. So it has amazing features right here. And it runs iOS 14, which has brought many security updates and updates for Siri, making it more efficient. So iOS 14 is amazing, guys, and it would run very smooth. Now we come to the pros and cons. So let's start with the pros. Advanced Bionic chip, like I told you, A14 Bionic chip. No bloatware, it will like not hang or something. Waterproof and dust resistance, it's waterproof and dust resistance. Super secure with new security updates, like I told you. There are 9 security updates right now in iPhone 12, making it more secure. And you know the security of iPhone. iPhones are really secure. And smooth OS, which is iOS 14. Now let's move to the cons. No external storage. You can't like insert a SD card, so that's not good. Actually, there should be a port for SD cards, but it's not there. No headphones or AirPods. So actually, when the iPhone 12 comes in the box, there is no headphone or AirPods. And seriously, there is no charger too. So you have to buy it extra. Like you have to go to the shop, to the store and buy it extra. And no fingerprint sensor. And that's like it also happened in iPhone 11 and 10. Because after iPhone 6 or 7, there was no home button, so there's no fingerprint sensor. And non-removable battery, the battery can't be removed. So these were the pros and cons, and now we come to the end of today's video. And let's see, I told you the pros, I told you the cons, I told you the features, and it depends on you. It's actually 79,000 rupees iPhone 12 original. There are 2 more variants, which is the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro, and I guess there's an iPhone 12 Pro Max. But actually the iPhone 12 is really amazing, guys. If it comes in your budget, then you should buy it, as it has amazing features. And if you are like photographer and you like taking pictures, and like sometimes there are jobs in which you require to take pictures, so iPhone 12 is the best with the best camera quality. And always remember, today we have phones with 48 megapixel camera, but actually megapixels don't make a camera good. Like it has 12 megapixel camera, but when you'll actually use it, you'll come to know that iPhone 12 has a better quality than other phones. So that's the end of the video. See you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.